Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly Euro dollar, I still think this is either going to go up and make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which would be an expanding flat wave C if it does this, or if it does go down to one of these lower fib levels, which I think is very possible, then it may end up being a running flat wave C. Either scenario, I'm definitely still very bullish and looking for those longs. Heading down to the weekly, I still think this is a wave 1. I'm still looking at this as an expanding flat wave 2. That would make this a wave 1 of 3, this a 2 of 3, and I still think there's a very good likelihood this is going to go up and make a 3, 4, 5 of the expanding flat wave C, or possibly the running flat wave C. Heading down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I'm definitely still thinking that this is a wave 1. I still think this is a downtrend for the A, 1, 2, 3 waves up for the B, and I still think this push down is the complete wave C. Now, there is always a chance that this does, make another lower high, and just keep on trending down. That definitely is a possibility, but I am definitely looking at most of these as most likely ending a correction already, ending a wave 2. I think it's going to make higher lows, and just keep on trending up, possibly in that wave 3 already. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely got a lower high. We definitely are going down, but I do believe this is very likely to be an ABC correction to the uptrend. I think this is going to be just a correction to this last push up. I think it's going to make a nice proper ABC correction, probably give us a nice breaker structure, and end up continuing the uptrend from here. So keeping all that information in mind, let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I'm definitely looking at this move down as a wave A, but I would always label it as an A or a 1 just in case. I do think this is possibly 3 waves up for a wave B, but I would label it as a wave 2 or B just in case. And I'm definitely looking for the end of this wave C. We are at the 61% Fibonacci retracement of the last push up. If it does go up, if it does break structure at this level, then I would say that the wave C is over, and I would definitely stop looking for shorts, and I would definitely start looking for longs again. On the other hand, if it doesn't go up and if it doesn't break structure but instead continues to make lower lows, then I would continue to look for shorts, especially if you trade below the 1 hour time frame until you get that Fibonacci bounce with the breaker structure. So if you trade below the 1 hour time frame, definitely continue to look for shorts until you get this picture right here. If you trade the 1 hour and above, then you're probably waiting for the end of this correction. You're waiting for a fib bounce. You're waiting for a breaker structure to go long for the continuation of this uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to my daily live trading sessions. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.